Hello everyone! Before I talk about the role of youth in land and forest restoration, let me introduce myself. My name is Seon Kim and I'm a third grade student at Kisang Middle School in Daejeon. I became interested in the environmental issues because of a big forest fire and flooding happened for days last year and the construction of an industrial complex near my town. Today, I want to talk about what we, as teenagers, can do to make our environment better and restore our land and forest. How much do you think one tree is worth? According to the Korean Forest Service, one tree has an economic value of up to 104 million won. Since even the most expensive tree seedlings only cost a few tens of thousand won, this is an incredibly successful investment. However, trees with such great value are disappearing. This issue is not just for adults, but also very important for the youth who will lead the future. We need to keep caring and making efforts to solve this problem. So, what kind of care and efforts are needed? First, teenagers need to understand and study environmental issues like desertification and drought caused by climate change. Even though many people are aware of when trying to address climate problems, the situation is still serious. According to KBS News on August 12 last year, heavy rains in China caused floods that affected over 5 million people. Climate problems keep happening and will continue. Therefore, teenagers, who are the future generation, need to understand and study these environmental issues. For example, they can join restoration activities for the land and forest, organized by environmental or community groups. These activities leave a more lasting impressions than just learning from books or articles. Second, we should use social media for campaigns. Teenagers spend most of their time at school, so direct activities like planting trees can be temporary. Using social media, which teenagers are familiar with, can help raise awareness about climate issues and share our thoughts. Social media is powerful and fast for spreading information and learning. We can create hashtags and slogans to actively inform many people that nature is our future resource. In conclusion, we have discussed the role of youth in land and forest restoration. Teenagers need to understand and study environmental issues caused by climate change. They also need to use social media to campaign about climate change. By doing these things, teenagers can understand and respond to environmental problems in paper ways. Thank you for listening to my presentation for 4 minutes.